What's going on, everybody? This is Elevated here, and I wanted to get my channel off the ground. This is my money only channel, and what I had in mind was to start a investing challenge where I only put a certain amount of money in. I don't add any more, and at the end of the day, I either succeed or I fail. So, as you can see over on the screen here, I put 75 bucks in my Robinhood account. I'm going to do a $5 a day challenge. So I'm going to invest into 5 different things every trading day. I'm going to put it on automatic. This way I don't have to worry about actually waking up to buy my investments. And what I'm going to do is, because 75 bucks at $5 a day will run out pretty fast, I'm going to trade options on it also. You know, it's a challenge to myself just to see if I could do it. I have to give the disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is just my journey. This is something that I had in my mind. I'm using my own money. Investing carries risk. Consult a financial advisor, as I'm not yours. But now with that being said, if you feel like this is something you would like to follow along, you know, at least follow the journey. Follow the page, subscribe. I would love to have everybody here. Once I decide my 5 investments, I'll post an update video. Everybody take care and be easy.